Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing the Odin 2 device, the Chinese version, and the device comes with a 100-watt charger and a screen protector. The device comes in its black version with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal space. This is the first Android handheld, to my awareness, that has no compromises in regards to its chipset. All of the rest I have seen in the years I've been following this scene have been from either extremely out-of-date Snapdragons or some recent but underpowered MediaTek chips. Getting one that currently has the top-of-the-line Snapdragon chip is frankly amazing. And considering it has active cooling, it may very well be the most powerful Android device, period. AYN in general has actually made the best devices for their specs. One of the positives of the device is the Odin 2, versatile and performs well in all areas. The controls on the device are top-notch. From the D-pad to the joysticks and triggers, everything feels premium. Probably the most powerful ARM-based handheld you can get your hands on. It is powerful enough to play almost all games available on Android at full speed. The transparent case of the handheld allows the RGB lighting to shine in its full glory, making it a sight to behold. Impressive battery life, up to 20+ hours for light gaming. The Odin 2 builds on the design of the Odin and the Loki, with a compact shell surrounding a display that has thicker side bezels than top or bottom bezels. Seemingly, the Odin 2 also retains a circa 6-inch display, which should make it comparatively pocketable. Likewise, the Odin 2 has plenty of gamepad buttons, although they are likely to be smaller than those found on larger gaming handhelds like the Asus ROG Ally. The Odin 2 appears to be powerful enough to emulate PS2 games at full speed beyond 1080p2, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The gaming handheld should not be RAM-bound either, with AYN offering 8 GB, 12 GB, and 16 GB of RAM configurations at launch. The way I say it is this is the first device I'm aware of that could legitimately play 99% of all of handheld gaming ever. To me, that's worth getting just for that alone.